Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best right angle drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee right angle drill. Described as a must-have by dozens of satisfied buyers, this Milwaukee right angle drill adapter is one of the highest rated and best right angle drill tools with over 95% satisfied customers and is ideal for getting into tight spaces. Features include shock absorption for high-impact jobs that also reduce damage to the magnetic alloy shank, a rubberized soft grip, a keyless chuck attachment, and compatibility with impact and drill drivers with 1/4-inch hex shank fittings. Similar to the popular DeWALT DCD 740C1 right angle drill, but only a fraction of the cost and much more highly rated, this drill offers excellent value for money. One happy customer described, "It's far smoother and quieter in operation, and I see and feel virtually no resistance or power loss whether I'm using it in my 48-volt hammer drill or my 9-volt screwdriver." Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch Cordless right angle drill. The Bosch Cordless right angle drill and driver kit is ideal for those looking for power, precision, and versatility. This right angle cordless drill power tool has a variable speed trigger for maximum power both in drive and drill mode, a pivoting head that moves from 45 to 180 degrees, easy bit installation, and excellent battery consumption. Its compact design also makes it perfect to drill holes or drive screws in small spaces like inside cabinets or under a car. Love that it can be used at 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Fahrenheit, straight, reviewed one satisfied customer. As far as I know, it's the only drill on the market, cord or cordless, that can do this. At number 3, we have the SKIL right angle drill driver. This practical, compact, and cordless right angle drill driver set from SKIL is another great option for getting into tight spaces and is ideal if you're looking for a new tool for both drilling and driving applications. It features a handy built-in LED light, a brushless motor, long battery life, and a 1/2-inch single-sleeve keyless chuck. The set includes a drill driver, impact driver, right angle drill attachments, battery cover, charger, belt clips, and 2 drill bits. I took an oven apart in no time with that 1/4-inch drive tool and for 12 volts had no problem at all with the drill either, wrote one reviewer of this highly rated right angle cordless drill, and another added, "This set is awesome, battery life is great. The power of this thing is crazy. So much torque." At number 2, we have the DeWALT right angle drill kit. Professionals looking for a powerful cordless right angle drill option will appreciate this heavy-duty DeWALT right angle drill with LED light. The power toolkit includes a 60 volts battery, charger, drill, and convenient storage bag. The tool has 2 side position handles for maximum grip for that harder angle drill work, and an innovative electronic clutch, the e-clutch system, for added user control and tool protection that is designed to decrease motor speed for maximum leverage while using high torque, which also extends the battery life. The variable speed range with a maximum speed of 1250 RPM also improves battery consumption. Although some customers would have preferred a hard-carrying case, one buyer described this tool as a beast, adding, "The drill has plenty of drilling power and a solid construction." For lighter use for homeowners or hobbyists, there is also the much smaller and more economical DeWALT DCD 740C1 right angle drill. And finally at number 1, we have the Milescraft right angle drill attachment. For under $20, basically a few dollars more than a drill bit, this attachment for right angle drills by Milescraft is impact ready and has drill attachments with a 1.5-inch reach, making it the perfect right angle drill for tight spaces for anyone on a budget. This quality right angle drill power tool attachment also accepts most 1/4-inch hex accessories, has a small and easy to grip handle with grooves, and includes a Phillips head screwdriver, making it perfect for cabinetry. While some customers noted that this power drill was difficult to hold in position, one buyer explained, "Small for tight spaces but strong to get the job done," and added, "Great for drilling through wall studs through a hole in drywall."
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.